Good morning to all. Today we are going to see about nuclear physics. Under that, nuclear force, fission and fusion. Nuclear force are the strongest attractive force between nucleons in the atomic nucleus that holds the nucleus together. Nuclear force is responsible for the holding of nucleons inside the nucleus. Now, the properties of nuclear force. It is attractive in nature. The range of nuclear force is very short. Nuclear force is identical for all nucleons. That is, the nuclear force between neutron is same as a nuclear force between proton-neutron and proton-proton. Nuclear force are charge independent. Nuclear force does not depend upon the charge of the particle. Nuclear force are spin dependent. It depends only spin of the particle. Next, fission. The splitting of the nucleus of an atom into nuclei of lighter atoms is said to be fission. Fission is simply splitting of heavier atoms into lighter ones. This is the pictorial representation of fission. Neutron is bombarded with uranium. It splits up into lighter atoms. Fusion is an atomic reaction in which multiple atoms combine to create a single more massive atom. That is, combination of number of atoms into heavier atom. This is the pictorial representation of nuclear fusion. At last, comparison between fission and fusion. Fission, it does not require high temperature for the initiation of reaction, but in fusion, it requires high temperature for the initiation of reaction. Fission is a chain reaction. Fusion is not a chain reaction. Fission carried by bombarding the heavy nucleus with neutron. Fusion carried by heating light nuclei at very high temperature. Bombarding of neutron is not required here. In fission, large amount of energy is released. In fusion, energy released is several times greater than fission reaction. Thank you.